So today's lecture we divide in two parts. First, I tell you the short trick for 25 to 125 square value. Okay. But for me, that is not that important because we are preparing for CSAT. So for CSAT, what is more important? That the second part of our lecture is observations. That is more important. Okay. So first, I start with this. We will learn some short trick to find the square value in less time. Now further what I do, I divide. See, don't ask me short trick for 2 square to 25 square. And even you have to remember that, and that will help you to solve this. That value will help you. So now here we divide this in 25 to 75 and 75 to 125. We have different short trick for this value. We have different short trick for this value. But there is no much difference. Am I audible, online students? Okay. Am I audible in the last? So here first we start with this 75 to 125. How we can calculate square value from 75 to 125? And believe me one thing, like if we have to find 108 square, you take 2 seconds. Here answer is 11664. And I tell you how to do this. Now here we take 100 as a base. 100 as a base for this value. And what is 100 square? 10,000. Let me take 2-3 values so that you can understand what to do. Like for example, you have to find 104 square. Okay. So we break this value with respect to 100. 100 plus or 100 minus. So now here it is 100 plus. Okay. 100 plus. Now next thing is, we divide our solution in two parts, left and right. Left and right. And the right side is fixed for 2-digit, unit place and 10. It is fixed. Unit place and 10 place. Here we will have 100 place. Here we will have 1000 place, 10,000 place. Here it is fixed for 2-digit, unit place 10 place. The other digit we will have here. It is fixed. If it is 1 digit, then also we have to write 2. It is fixed. Unit place 10 place. तो लेट मत आना कल से, है ना? और एक ऐसे मत बैठना बीच में, ये रास्ता है, ठीक है? थोड़ा साइड होके. Unit place 10 place. Okay. So now here, let me take 4-5 values so that you can understand. Achha, one more thing I tell you. This is left hand side, right hand side. If on left hand side I write 108, then don't read it 108, because we have unit place here, 10 place here. This is 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Actually there are 2 digits for this value on the right side. It will be 10,800 something. It depends on these two value. ये 108 नहीं है, it is 100 place, it is 1000 place, it is 10,000 place. So here it is 10,800 something. So it depends. Like if I write here 01, so it becomes 10,801. If I write 04, 10,804. So here we have 2-digit fix on the right side. That is unit place 10 place. On left hand side we start with 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Fine. Let me take 3-4 value. 104 square, 106 square and 108 square. So first is, I told you we break this value with respect to 100. So it is 100 plus 4 because it is 4 extra. It is 100 plus 6. This is 100 plus 8. Fine. Now next is left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. Step number 1, we have to break this value 100 plus or 100 minus. So it is 100 plus 4, it is 100 plus 6, it is 100 plus 8. Next is step number 2. On left hand side, what we do, this number plus this extra. 104 plus 4. Here 106 जो ये number है उसमें this extra part we have to add 106 plus 6. Here it is 108 plus 8. And the right side part is this extra value square. It is 4 square. Here it is 6 square. Here it is 8 square. So now we will check. This is 108. What is 4 square? 60. It is your unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. So your answer is 10,860. Now here, this is 112. What is 6 square? 36. Okay. My request, those who are coming late for the class, so be polite or be like, don't disturb other. ठीक है, जब भी आए चेयर की आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए आपके बैठने में, या तो टाइम पे आएंगे, लेट आएंगे तो आपकी चेयर खिसकाने की आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए. ठीक है, डोंट डिस्टर्ब अदर. 11,236. So it is 116. What is 8 square? 60. Fine. Let me take 2, 3 more value so that you can understand. Like 105 square, 107 square, 109 square. So here step number 1, it is 100 plus 5. So left hand side value will be this number plus this extra. 105 plus 5. Right side value will be this square. So left side 110, this is 25, it is 100 plus 1000, 10,000, so it is 11,025, or you can say your answer is 11025. Now here, in this case, this is 100 plus 7. So can we say left side value will be 107 plus 7, right side value will be 7 square, it is 114, what is 7 square? 49, 4. Like this is 109 plus 9. So left side value will be 109 plus 9, right side value will be 9 square because it is 9 extra as compared to our base value 100. So it is 118. What is 9 square? 81. So it is 1188. That is your answer. Okay. Now let us try. (106) square you try first. Okay, done. Now here I tell you one thing. Category 3 student, even category 1 or 2 can also try, but don't do mistake. Category 3 you can try. See here, you can be fast. No need to write each and every step. You can say 106 plus 6. You can do this calculation in your mind also. Left hand side value is 106 plus this extra 6. Right hand side value will be 6 square, which is 36. 1, 1, 2, 3. Some of you can try, especially category 3 student. Don't use pen paper because the moment we use pen paper, we are slow. But category 1 and 2, slowly and gradually we will be that stage where we do this calculation in our mind. Don't do mistake. If you want to use paper, yes, use. If you want, you can do in mind, you can do. Like 108 square. Okay. We don't need paper actually, but category 1, category 2, they can take help. Left hand side value क्या आएगी? 108 plus 8, 116. Right side value क्या आ जाएगी? 8 square, 64. So it is 11664. Now try 107 square. 107 plus 7, 114. 7 square is 49. Okay. Try one more. 104 square. Done. One 10816. Now next is 102 square. Left hand side value is 102 plus 2, right side value is 2 square. It is 1042 2 square 4. Some students they say answer 1044, but it is wrong. If on right side you get a single digit, it's your duty to make it 2 digit. It is fixed. Right side is fixed for 2 digit. If it come 4, better write 04. If it come 1, 01. Because this is not your 10 place, this start with 100 place only. अगर एक digit आएगी, you have to write it 04 rather than 404. So our correct answer is 10404. Similarly, 103 square. 103 plus 3, 106. Right side will be 3 square. 106, 3 square is 9. But don't write 9, write 09. Because it is fixed. Right side we have 2 digit, unit place and 10 place. It is fixed rule. So your answer is 10609. Don't write 909. Now you try 101 square. So left hand side value will be number plus extra, 101 plus 1. Right side is 1 square. It is 102. What is 1 square? 1. We write 01. 10201. Now next is, let me take 2, 3 more value. If it is asked 112 square, or no one will ask, believe me, that like in calculation we can use it. कोई आपसे 112 स्क्वायर नहीं पूछने वाला यूपीएससी में, in some calculation that might help you. So here left hand side value is 112 plus 12, right side value will be 12 square. Same rule, we have to take 100 as a base, 100 plus 12, so number plus extra. Left side value become 112 plus 12, right side is 12 square. Left hand side value is 124, right side value is 144. So now the problem here is this 144. This is unit place, this is 10 place. Our school days we have learned one thing, carry forward. So this belong to 100 place, you have to carry forward. जैसा हमने स्कूल में कैलकुलेशन में कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया ना, सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू. यू हैव टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड दिस वन एंड यू हैव टू मर्ज इट विद 100 प्लेस बिकॉज दिस बिलोंग टू 100 प्लेस. And right side we get only 2 place, unit place 10 place. If you have extra digit you have to carry forward. Like in our economics we take from rich give to poor, that is carry forward concept. But polity आती है फिर उसको उल्टा कर देती है, वो गरीबों का पैसा अमीरों की तरफ ट्रांसफर. So here this one carry forward here add, so our answer is 12544. तो ये जो 1 है it will be added in this form because this 4 and 1 both belong to 100 place, so you have to merge it. Let me take extra question, don't worry. 113 square. Step number 1, 113 plus 13, right side here is 13 square. So here it is 126. What is 13 square? 169, and this 1 carry forward. So it will be 12769 is your answer. Let me take one more. 114 square. So left side value will be 114 plus 14. Right side value will be 14 square. It is 128 left side value. Right side value 196. 1 carry forward. 12996 is your answer. So what is 114 square? 12,996. So only the thing, if this type of value we have, you have to take care of carry forward. Now you try, what is 116 square? Done. Here it is 116 plus 16, right side is 16 square. If you know 16 here, you will be fast. Okay. So here it is 132. What is 16 square? 256. So 2 carry forward. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 118 square. Try this. If my suggestion is, if you are doing 18 into 18 with school calculation right now, फिर इस short trick को रहने दो, ठीक है? Then it is going to be time consuming itself. फिर हम school calculation से ही करेंगे. फिर end में क्या होगा, एग्जाम में आपने यही करना है. And my suggestion again, 2 square to 25 square mug up. You have to do. Because these are very easy calculation, not only for this topic, and there are calculations where it are used. ठीक है, ये यूज होने वाली हैं स्क्वायर्स, 21 स्क्वायर, 22 स्क्वायर, 23 स्क्वायर, 18 स्क्वायर, 16 स्क्वायर, all this value has to be on your tips. So now here left hand side value is 118 plus 18, right side is 18 square. So it is 136. What is 18 square? 324. 3 carry forward, 13924. Now one more. Try 121 square. Okay. What is your answer? 14641. Left side value is 121 plus 21. Right side is 21 square. It is 142. What is 21 square? 441. 4 carry forward. 14641. Now I have taken 100 to 125 actually. अब तक मैंने सारी वैल्यू 100 से 125 ली. Now I take 75 to 100. Like here, 92 square, 94 square. Now we just compare with 108 square. What shortcut I told you for 108 square? 100 plus 8. So left side value is 108 plus 8. Right side value is 8 square. Here also we take 100 as a base. So this value is 100 minus 8. So if it is extra, we add. If it is less, we subtract. Number plus, number minus. So your left side step here is 92 minus 8. Here we take plus 8 because it is 8 extra as compared to 100. It is 8 less as compared to 100. So you have to do minus 8. And here it is minus 8 square. यहाँ पे plus 8 है तो यहाँ पे minus 8 है because our value is actually 100 minus 8. But here thankfully minus 8 square is plus 64 only. What is 92 minus 8? 84. What is 8 square? 64. Nothing to carry forward. This is our answer. So what is 92 square? 8464. Or wait, like if we have to find 94 square, it is 100 minus 6. So minus 6 will help you because this value is 6 less than our 100 base. So here left side value will be 94 minus 6. Right side value is minus 6 square. Now here it is 88. What is 6 square? 36. So it is 8836. No carry forward. 6 square is plus 36. So this is your unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Right side value 36, left side value 88. तो आपका आंसर हो जाता है 8836. यहाँ पे भी ऐसे है. Left side value is 84, right side value is 64. So it is 8464. I take one more, just wait. 6 कहां से आया? 94 क्या है? 100 माइनस 6, ठीक है, ये 6 यहां से है, ये 100 के मुकाबले कितना ज्यादा है और कितना कम है वो देखना है, बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग 100 एज ए बेस. Like if I take 96 square, so what is 96? 100 minus 4. So here 100 minus 4 actually. So left side value will be number minus 4. This अगर extra है तो add करेंगे, less है तो subtract करेंगे. तो 96 minus 4, right side value is minus 4 square. What is 96 minus 4? 92. And what is 4 square? 16. So here this is your unit place, 10 place, 100,000. तो your answer is 921. यहाँ पे minus होगा, that's it. There we have 100 plus, now we have 100 minus. Try 93 square. Just try. Done. What is your answer? 8649. Because it is 100 minus 7, so it is 93 minus 7 is left side value, right side value is actually minus 7 square, so it is 86. What is 7 square? 49. So it is 8649. Nothing to carry forward. No carry forward. Right side is fixed for 2 digit. If it come 1, you have to make 2 digit. Extra over the carry forward. Same. Like here, next question you try. What is 91 square? Right. Done. It is 100 minus 9. So left side value is 91 minus 9. Right side value is minus 9 square. What is 91 minus 9? 82. What is 9 square? 81. So it is 8281. Try 97 square. थ्री आएगा ना, -3. Here it is 100 minus 3. Left side value is 97 minus 3. Right side value is minus 3 square. Left side value is 94. Some students they write 9 here, but it is fixed 2 digit. If it is 9, better write 09. If it come 4, write 04. If it come 1, write 01. Right side is fixed for 2 digit. अगर एक आएगी तो दो बनाना है. 9 को 09 लिखना है. Correct answer is 9409. 949 is wrong. 9409. 9 को 09 लिखो. If on right side you get a single digit, write 2 digit. 9 को 09 लिखने का है, 4 को 04. Like you try 98 square. Then it is 100 minus 2. Left side value is 98 minus 2. Right side value is minus 2 square. 96. Don't write 4. 04. So 9604. What about 99 square? Here it is 100 minus 1. So it is 99 minus 1 is left side value, minus 1 square is right side value, 981 or 01? 01. Now we will do some calculation where we have carry forward, and let me do 2 from my side. Like if it is asked 88 square, so it is 100 minus 12. So left side value will be number minus 12, number plus number minus. So left side value is 88 minus 12, right side value will be minus 12 square. So left side value is 76, right side value is 144. Both are positive. So this one carry forward, you add 1 in 6, it is 7744. You have to carry forward. If you have more than 2 digit, carry forward. If you have less than 2 digit, we use 09, 04, 01. because it is rule right side is fixed for 2 digit, unit place, 10 place. If you have extra digit, you have to carry forward. This is 100 place digit merged with 100 place. Like I take 86 square. So it is 100 minus 40. Left side value is 86 minus 14. Right side value is minus 14 square. So it is 72. What is 14 square? 196. 1 carry forward. 7396. You take care of carry forward if you have. The rest is totally same. Now you try 87 square. Done. What is the answer? Now here it is 100 minus 13. Left side value is 87 minus 13 minus 13 square. This is 74169. 1 carry forward 7569. Try 82 square. Then what is your answer? It is 100 minus 18. Left side value is 82 minus 18 minus 18 square. So what we get? 12 minus 8, 4. We get 64. And what is 18 square? So 3 carry forward. 6, 7, 2, 4. Try one more just to check. 81 square. Then minus 19. Left side value is 81 minus 19. What is 81 minus 19? 62. And right side is minus 19 square. What is 19 square? 361. So here you have 3 carry forward 6, 5, 6. Now next you put heading 25 to 75 squares value. Okay. Just have comparison. We know how to handle 104 square. And what is 104 square, by the way? Without pen paper? 10816. And these are like basic classes. When I take percentage, then also I will tell you something where you can increase your calculation speed. There are many students after the class, they meet me, they say, sir, I'm very slow in calculation. See, एक तो आपके पुराने पाप है, ठीक है? And next thing is like it will take time. And I will discuss in between some of the short tricks so that we will be fast in calculation. Okay. So now here 104 square. So what we have done, we have taken 100 as a base. Left side is 104 plus 4, right side is 4 square. I tell you, there is a similarity and there is a difference also. Similarity, I tell you. Here also, we divide our solution in two parts, left and right. Same रहेगा ऐसे, left and right. Here also, right side is fixed for 2 digit, unit place, 10 place. Totally same. Your right side is totally same. If in case we have 3 square 9, so here also we don't write 9, we write 0, 9. If we have 1 square 1, we will not write 1, we write 0, 1. If it come 4, we write 0, 4. And if there is a carry forward, we do carry forward as we have understood. Right hand side is totally same. In left hand side, there is a difference. I tell you what difference we have. First difference here is base itself. We will not take 100 as a base because it become 100 minus 46. 46 square we don't know. So we take that base value which help us to calculate. So here for 25 to 75 we take 50 as a base. तो यहाँ पे हमारा base जो बनेगा वो 50 बनेगा. पहला difference. And the second difference is, what is 100 square? 10,000. So the left hand side value will be 100 something because it is 10,000. But what about 50 square? 50 square क्या होता है? 2500. So left hand side I can't take 50 plus 50 minus because it become 5,000. Since 50 square is 2500, and how I express 25 dash dash? This is not 25, it is 2500 something. So here what we do, left hand side, since 50 square is 2500, there is a difference. Here 50 will become 25. 50 25 क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि 50 का स्क्वायर 2500 है. 50 square is 2500. So in our shortcut, left hand side value will be 25 plus or 25 minus, whereas left hand side is number plus number minus in this case, and the rest is totally same. Let me take 4 value, then you understand. Here first value is 54 square. We take 50 as a base, we break it as 50 plus 4. Right hand side there is no problem, it is 4 square because it is 4 extra. But left hand side is our base will change, 50 will become 25. Why? Because 50 square is 2500, so left side value will be 25 plus, yeah, 25 minus. So it is 29. What is 4 square? 16. Nothing to carry forward. 2916. Wait, let me take 3 4 value. Like 56 square has been asked. So we break it as 50 plus 6. Right hand side is 6 square. Left hand side only the difference is 50 become 25. That is our shortcut. जो 50 है वो 25 बन जाएगा plus 6. So it is 3136. So it is 3136. Wait, I take one more value. Like 58 square. So it is 50 plus 8. Right side there is no problem, 8 square. Left side is 50 become 25. So it is 25 plus 8. What is 25 plus 8? 33. And it is 64. Our answer is 3360. Here only this step is different. The rest is totally same. जो हमने shortcut पहले सीखा है वो same है. Only this step is a different step. Let me take some extra value. Like here 57 square. So step number 1 we break it as 50 plus 7. Then left hand side value will become 50 become 25. That's it. Plus 7, 7 square. So it is 32. What is 7 square? 49. So it is 3249 is your answer. You try step by step. Here 59 square you try. It is 50 plus 9. Left side value is 25 plus 9. Right side value is 9 square. So it is 3481. Because right side value is 80. Now next is 55 square. Done? So you can break it as 50 plus 5. Left side value is 25 plus 5. Right side is 5 square. 3025. 3025. Try 53 square. So now here 50 plus 3. Left side value is 25 plus 3. Right side 3 square. 289 or 09? 09. 09. So 2809. Try 52 square. +50 plus 2, left side value is 25 plus 2, right side 2 square, 274 or 04? 04, 270. Try 51 square. +50 plus 1, left side value is 25 plus 1, right side 1 square, 2601. Don't write 101 because right side is fixed 2 digit. Now I take some value where we have carry forward. Same, only that step is different, totally same, like 61 square. Step number 1, we break it as 50 plus 11. Then left side value become 25 plus 11, right side value become 11 square. Left side is 36. What is 11 square? 121. 1 carry forward. Because it is fixed, right side is unit place 10 place. If by chance you have extra digit, you have to carry forward. 372. Now you try what is 62 square. Now here 50 plus 12. So it is 25 plus 12. This is 12 square. 37144. 1 carry forward. 3844. Try 63 square. So it is 50 plus 13. Left side value 25 plus 13. Right side value 13 square. 38169. 1 carry forward. 3969. Try 64 square. चल रहा है दिमाग? +50 plus 14. Left side value is 25 plus 14. 14 square. This is 39. Here 196. 1 carry forward. 4096. I take 25 to 50. I have taken all the value. 50 to 75 था. अब उससे नीचे का like here 46 square. Here also we take 50 as a base. It is 50 minus 4. Then totally same. 50 become 25. So it is minus. So minus 4 square. So it is 21. What is 4 square? 16. So 211. If it come minus, we take minus. 50 minus 4. So here 25 minus 4. Agar plus hai to plus. If minus, minus. And minus 4 square is 16. That will happen. Let me take one. 44 square. So it is 50 minus 6. Left side value will be 25 minus 6. Right side value minus 6 square. It is 19. Right side 36. 193. Like I try 42 square. So it is 50 minus 8. Left side value is 25 minus 8. Right side minus 8 square. It is 1760. 176. Okay, rest is totally same. Like I take one more. 43 square. 50 minus 7. So 25 minus 7 minus 7 square. What is 25 minus 7? 18. What is 7 square? 49. Nothing to carry forward. 184. You people try. 41 square. What is your answer? 50 minus 9, 25 minus 9, minus 9 square. So it is 16, 9 square 81, so it is 1681. Try 47 square. See, I'm happy many of you are doing in your mind. So I expect category 1, what you do, you take a random value at your home. Don't use pen paper. Try to do in mind. So it is very good exercise for your mind. See here, slowly and gradually you have to train your mind to do multiple calculation at a time. अभी आपका माइंड एक ही कैलकुलेशन एक बार कर पाएगा, then you are dependent on pen paper. Then try to do 2 steps in your mind, 3 steps in your mind, 4 steps in your mind. Okay, that will help you to increase your calculation. So here it is 50 minus 3, 25 minus 3 minus 3 square, so it is 2209. Don't write 909. Try 48 square. Done. क्या आ रहा है? 2304. 50 minus 2. So left side value is 25 minus 2. Right side value is minus 2 square. 234 or 04? 0. What about 49 square? Okay, done. 50 minus 1. So left side value will be 25 minus 1. Right side value will be minus 1 square. So 2, 4, 1 or 0, 1? 0. Let us do 2 more value where we have carry forward. I solved 2 for it. 39 square. So it is 50 minus 11. So left side value is 25 minus 11. Right side value is minus 11 square. So what is 25 minus 11? 14. What is 11 square? 121. So 1 carry forward, 1521. Like 38 square. So it is 50 minus 12. 25 minus 12 minus 12 square. So it is 13, 144, 1 carry forward, 1444. 38 square is 1440. Now you try 37 square. Take care of carry forward, you get the answer. 37 square. Done. 1369. See here it is 50 minus 13. Left side value is 25 minus 13. Minus 13 square, 12. 169. 1 carry forward, 136. I tell you one more thing. How we can calculate square of a value where at unit place we have 5. Like 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, and so on. You can calculate otherwise, like what we have done. But here we have a better shortcut. Here also we divide this in 2 parts, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. And in this type of question where at unit place you have 5, right side is fixed 25. Right side will be 5 square. And what is 5 square? 25. 5 square, 25. 5 square 25, 5 square 25. So in this type of question, our right side is always fixed 25. If you have a value where at unit place you have 5 and you have to take square of that value, in your square value the last two digit has to be 25. तो हमेशा 25 ही हो. What about left side value? You remove this 5, you left with 1 here. Remaining value 1. It will be multiply with 1 extra. Next value. What is next value after 1? 2. So 1 into 2, 2. So your answer is 225. Here the remaining value will be multiplied with the next value. What is the next value? 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 give you 625. Here this is 3. 3 will be multiplied with the next value 4. So 3 into 4, 12. Here this 4 will be multiplied with the next value. What is the next value? 5. So what is 4 into 5? 2025. Here what is the next value? 6. 5 into 6, 3025. ये वाला 5 छोड़ना है. This 5 into next one. So 3025. Right side is fixed 25. Left side is remaining value multiply with the next value. Let me take one more. 65 square. Right side we have 25. Left side 6 into the next value. What is the next value? 7. What is 6 into 7? 42. So your answer is 4225 because it is 6 into 7 and it is 5. Try 75 square. Right side is 25, left side will be 7 multiply with next value. What is the next value? 8. What is 7? 8 is a 56. So 5625. What about 85 square? 8 multiply with 9, 7 to 5 square 25. What about 95 square? 9 multiply with 10, so 905 square 25. It is applicable for 3-4 digits. सबके लिए काम करता है. जैसे 105 square is asked. So what you can do, right side is 25, left side will be 10 into 11. Remaining value here is 10. What is 10 into 11? 110. So it is 11025. Now you try what is 115 square. So here it is 11 into 12. This is 5 square, 13225. 13225. Now I come to the main part of the lecture. See, we are preparing for CSAT. That is okay. ये interesting है, but मेरे लिए important अब start होगा. Observation. Any one of you done by chance Vedic math? Vedic math. There are like some short trick for calculations. How to multiply 3-digit number first. Okay. Any one of you? No? Okay. That is good. क्योंकि उसको भूलना पड़ता. जैसे धमाल मूवी में बोलते हैं ना, सामने लाल बटन है, दबा दिया, नहीं दबाना था. Vedic math not at all required. If you come across any YouTube video, anything related to Vedic math, better skip that. Because what I feel, Vedic math requires 7 to 8 lecture. Better in than 7 to 8 lecture, we can cover statement based questions, we can cover number system, latest pattern question. You check 2011 to 2024, each and every question, we don't need much calculation. So when students they say, sir, I'm very slow in calculation. So luckily you are preparing for CSAT, you are not preparing for banking exam. Banking mein you have to be fast in calculation. We need more technique for calculation in banking. If you are preparing for banking SSC, then Vedic math is useful for you, but not in CSAT. Don't waste your energy for Vedic math at all, because our questions are of different style. So what is more important rather than this also? Observations on squares, and we will have question on observation. So we will make observation here. I write 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Next, tell me, what is 11 square? What is 12 square? What is 13 square? 14 square? 15 square? 16 square? 17 square? 18 square? 19 square? 20 square? So many of you have remember up to 15 square. उसके बाद आवाज से ही पता चल रहा था, ठीक है. Better cover that. Make a funnel. मतलब 2 square to 15 square, I think all of you have remember. So next task is to work on the remaining values. 16 square, 17 square, especially this 4, 5 value. 20 square is very easy. And 21 to 25. It will help you. And then if you can do up to 30 square, that is really wonderful. 30 square तक कर लो, वो ज़्यादा help रहेगा. So you can add up to 30 square. Those who already done. अगर आप 25 तक कर चुके हो, so just try to remember 26 square, 27, 28, 29, 30 also. Now observation. First observation. You observe the unit digit. We get 1 here, 1 here. We get 4 here, 4 here. We get 9 here, 9, 6, 6, 5, 0. And it is merely repetition. You can check from 11 square to 20 square also. Totally we have repetition for the unit digit. 1 and 1, 4 and 4, 9 and 9, 6 and 6, 5, 0. You can check 21 square to 30 square at your home. I guarantee you get the same repetition. So our observation is unit digit in a square value or a perfect square value is always either 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. You will never get 2, 3, 7, 8 as a unit digit in a perfect square number. Never. In a perfect square number, unit digit is never 2, never 3, never 7, never 8. कभी भी नहीं होती है. If there is a number perfect square number, it is for sure उनकी unit digit यही मिलेंगी 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. So you write this observation number 1. Unit digit of a perfect square number is always either 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or 0. या ऐसे लिखो, is always 1 slash 4 slash 5 slash 6 slash 9 slash 0. 1 slash 4 slash 5 slash 6 slash 9 slash 0. इनमें से कोई एक हो. Either it is 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or 0. In the same observation, you can write full stop. Unit digit of a perfect square number. Unit digit of a perfect square number is never 2, 3, 7, 8. Is never 2, 3, 7. वो कभी भी नहीं हो. Now second observation. Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit of a perfect square number. It is 1, it is 4, it is 9. In 16, 1 plus 6. You have to take sum of 7. What about 25? 2 plus 5, 7. What about 36? 9. What about 49? 13 मतलब ultimate. फिर ऐड करना है. 49 में you get 4 plus 9, 13. Further you have to take 1 plus 3, you get 4. Ultimate sum of the digit. That is my meaning. What is 64? 6 plus 4, 10. But further you say 1 plus 0, it is 1. What about 81? 9. What about 100? 1. What about 121? 4. What about 144? 9. What about 169? 16. 16 मतलब 7. What about 196? Same, 16 means 7. What about 225? 9. You can check on Google. You can find 1 square to 100 square table is available. You can check any value. I give a guarantee. The ultimate sum of the digit of a perfect square number, there are only 4 possibility. 1, 4, 7, 9. No other possibility. You can try any number. So you write second observation. Ultimate sum of the digit of a perfect square number is always 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9. Okay. Now third observation. We will see the difference of the consecutive perfect square number. Here the difference of 1 and 4 is 3. Difference of 4 and 9 is 5. 9 and 16 difference is 7. Here difference is 9. Here 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Tell me what are these? Odd number in a sequence. So the difference of perfect square number, like they make a series of odd number. Like here, it is 100. In 100, you add next odd number, which is 21. You will get next perfect square number, which is 11 square. Here, if I add next odd number 23, I get 144, which is the 12 square. I repeat, if you add next odd number, which is 25 here, you get 169, means you get next perfect square number 13 square. If I add next odd number 27, I get 196, which is 14 square. If I add next odd number, I get next perfect square number. You add 31, you get next perfect square number. So we write this observation. Difference of consecutive perfect square number, difference of consecutive perfect square number makes a series of odd number. Makes a series of odd number. Now fourth observation. If you know n square, we can easily find n plus 1 square. I tell you how come. Like if you know 100 square, like this is 10,000. And if we have to find 101 square, what you can do in this value, see, I tell you the concept. If you know n square, if you have to find n plus 1 whole square, it is nothing, n square plus add both the number, n plus 1. I repeat, I know 100 square and you ask me 101 square. So I use 100 square, 10,000. In this you add both the number, 100 plus 101. दोनों number add कर दो. So your answer is 10,201. I repeat, like I know 80 square, which is 6,400. And if I have to find 81 square, it is simply 80 square plus 80 plus 81. N square plus n plus n plus 1. Here it is 6,400 plus 161. Your answer is 656. If you know n square, we can easily find n plus 1 square. Like if I know 30 square and you ask me what is 31 square, I tell you 31 square is nothing. It is 30 square plus 30 plus 30. इन दोनों नंबर को ऐड कर दो. 30 square is 900 plus 30 plus 31, 961 is your answer. If I know 40 square and if I have to find 41 square, I will simply say 41 square is nothing. That is 40 square plus 40 plus 41. It is 1600 plus 40 plus 41. It is 1681. I take one more example. If I know 50 square and you ask me 51 square, so based on this observation, 51 square is nothing. It is 50 square plus 50 plus 51. This is 2500 plus 50 plus 51. It is 26. So you write n plus 1 square means n plus 1 whole square is nothing. It is n square plus n plus n plus 1. n square में दोनों नंबर ऐड कर. n plus 1 whole square is always equal to n square plus n plus n plus 1. Now I tell you, try to use 200 square is 40,000. By using this, tell me what is 201 square. 200 square is 40,000. Try to find 201 square. 40401. How come? See here, 201 square will be 200 square plus 200 plus 201. This is 40,000 plus 401. So it is 40,401 is our answer. And next, very important part. See, I have taken this table from Google. Okay. At your home, you can see this is 1 square to 100 square. Fine. Is it visible? Otherwise, like in your mobile, you can just type Google पे list of squares from 1 to 100. You get this table first. पहले ये table मिल जाएगी, ये कोई और मिला. Now we have to make observation here, and that is very very important observation. These are the number. These are the square of the number. जैसे 1 is a perfect square because 1 is square of 1. 4 is a perfect square because 4 is a square of 2. I will say square or perfect square both are same. 3 is not a perfect square because 3 is not a square of any value. 5 is not a perfect square. So these are your squares value. These are your number. Now here what you have to observe, in this squares value means right side, which are perfect square value. Like here 100, we have 100. So here tell me, out of this perfect square number where last two digits are same. Last two digits are same. Start from the starting. 100. Here last two digits are same. 00. 12 square 144 where 4 and 4 same. After that 400 where we have 400. After that 30 square 900 900. After that 38 square 1444. Although last three digits same, but my concern is last two digits are same. After that 40 square 1600. Then next is 50 square. After that 60 square. After that 62 square 3844. Then 70 square which is 4900. After that 80 square 6400. After that 88 square 7744. 90 square and 100 square. Tell me what you have observed here in this value. Either 00 or 44. Are you getting 11? Are you getting 22? Are you getting 33? Are you getting 55? Are you getting 66, 77, 88, 99? And you can try 1 square to 1000 square. 10,000 square. You can take big table also. I'm taking only 1 square to 100 square. So you can try 101 square to 200 square. You can try 201 square to 300 square. Google पे check कर सकते हो. Observation here is when the last two digits are same, there are only two possibility. Either it is 00 or it is 44. It will never be 11, 33, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. यहाँ पे दो ही पॉसिबिलिटी बनती है. इफ द लास्ट टू डिजिट इन ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर आर सेम, इट इज ईदर 00 और 44. तो लिख लो. If the last two digit bracket start यूनिट प्लेस एंड 10 प्लेस, लास्ट टू से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट एंड 10 प्लेस डिजिट. ब्रैकेट क्लोज. इफ द लास्ट टू डिजिट आर सेम in a perfect square number, then there are only two possibilities. Either 00 or 44. क्वेश्चन कैसा पूछेगा? लाइक व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम 1 to 10,000. एक बार क्वेश्चन लिख लो. वी विल हैंडल दैट क्वेश्चन आफ्टर 10 मिनट. जस्ट राइट क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम 1 to 10,000. How many perfect square numbers are there which have last two digits same? Okay, first I give you answer based on this table, but in exam you will not have table. Then I tell you how we can handle this type of question without table. So you can see how many such number are there which are perfect square number and where last two digits are same. You can see this is 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you write answer 14 for this question. इसका आंसर आएगा 14. Because from 1 to 10,000, from 1 to 10,000, the word is from. तो 1 से लेके 10,000 तक ऐसे कितने नंबर हैं जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर भी है और लास्ट टू डिजिट सेम है? आंसर 14. व्हाट आर दिस नंबर? लाइक 100, 144, 400, 900, 1444, 1600, 2500. These are the number which I highlighted with the orange color marker. But in exam you will not have table so that you can refer. It will not be open book competition. Okay, how to handle in exam I tell you. See, we observe one thing. If the last two digits are same, there are only two possibility. Either it is 00 or it is 44. No other possibility. It will never be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, never. If the last two digits are same, it has to be either 00 or 4. 00 are easy. 00 कब आता है? 10 square, 20 square, multiple of 10. When your number is multiple of 10 and you take square of that value, you get 20 in the last. Like if you have any number where at unit place you have 0, any number, and you take square of that, this 10 become 20 in the last when you take square. It can be 10, 20, 30. So idea is 00 is possible when it is multiple of 10. जब वो मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 होगा और उसका स्क्वायर होगा मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 का स्क्वायर. square of a multiple of 10 always give you 0 0 in the last. So depend on the question, we can check easily. So what are the number? Like 10 square will help you, then 20 square will help you, then 30 square will help you, then 40 square, then 50 square, then 60 square, 70 square, 80 square, 90 square, 100 square. 110 square, 120 square, 130, depend on the question. If question asks from 1 to 20,000, so you have to go beyond 100 also, if they ask. But chances are very less. So point here is 0 0 is possible when it is a multiple of 10. It is very easy. What are the number? 10 square, 20 square, 30 square, 40 square, 50, 60, 70 square, 80 square, 90 square, 100 square, 110 square, 120 square, 130 square, 140 square. Tell me whether 140 square will have 2 0 in the last, yes or no? Yes. Whether 150 square will have 2 0 in the last, yes or no? Yes. Whether 160 square will have 2 0 in the last, yes or no? Yes. Is this point clear? Where we get 0 0? When it is a multiple of 10 square. These are the values. Now 4 4. I tell you observation about 4 4. Okay. 12 square is 144. 38 square is 1444. Then 62 square, 3844. Next value is 88 square. And what is 88 square? 774. Now you can open your mobile if you have calculator. Just see. आपके पास अगर मोबाइल है, मोबाइल खोलो, कैलकुलेटर खोलो. I tell you the observation. Okay. Online student, you can also try that. Do 112 into 112. अपने मोबाइल में 112 into 112 करेंगे. क्या आ रहा है? लास्ट की 2 डिजिट 4 4. So it means 112 square will help you. Then try 138 into 138. 4 4. Try 162 into 162. My concern is last 2 digit 4 4, yes or no? Yes. Try 188 into 188, means 188 square. Next, 212 into 212. 238 into 238. Then 262 into 262, 288 into 288, then same. 312, 338 square, 362 square, 388, then 412, 438, 462, 480. So in every value there are 4 values: 12, 38, 62, 88. 100 to 200 also you have 4 value which give you 4 4. From 200 to 300 also there are only 4 value which give you 4 4 in the last. From 300 to 400 also, for 400 to 500 also. So idea is 12 square, 38 square, 62 square, 88 square. These are the 4 value from 0 to 100 square, from 100 square to 200 square, from 200 square to 300 square. These are the 4 value will give you 4 4 and no other value. No other value. So now it depends on the question. These are manageable questions. Once you are clear with this observation, like my question is what I dictated, that from 1 to 10,000. Word is from. There is a difference when I say between 1 and 10,000. My statement is from 1 to 10,000. When the word is from 1 to 10,000, both are included. 10,000 is included, 1 is also included. 1 से लेके 10,000 तक, from 1 to 10,000, how many perfect square numbers are there which have last 2 digits same? So you have to take 2 possibilities. या तो 0 0 आएगा या 4 4 आएगा. Then we have to check 10 square in our range 100. It is between, or it is from 1 to 10,000. 20 square will help you 400, 30 square will help you 900, 40 square will help you 1600, 50 square help you 2500, 60 square help you 3600, 70 square help you 4900, 80 square help you 6400, 90 square help you 8100, 100 square help you 10,000. Since the word is from 1 to 10,000, so 10,000 is included. तो 0 में 10 ही नंबर मिलेंगे 100, 400, 900, 1600, 2500, 3600, 4900. सो 10 नंबर तो ये हो गए. These are the 10 number which are perfect square number and from 1 to 10,000 have 0 in the last. What about 4 4 के लिए what are the observation? 12 square, 144, 38 square, 1444, 62 square, 3844, 88 square, 7744. But the moment you take 112 square, it will be more than 10,000. So you cannot go beyond 10,000. So these are the 4 value where you get 4. These are the 10 value, we get 0. So our answer is there are 14 such number from 1 to 10,000 which are perfect square number and as well have last 2 digit are same. So how you have to check? You have to check how many number come in the range of 0 and how many number come in the range of 4. Because now I will ask the next question which you have to try and without table. Let me see how many of you understood the concept. My question is, how many 4-digit numbers are there? I write here. How many 4-digit numbers are there which are perfect square number and having last 2 digit unit place in bracket and 10 place. By last 2 digit I mean this. Having last 2 digits, take your time. Are you getting the question? How many 4-digit numbers are there which satisfy this condition? Perfect square number भी होना चाहिए, उनकी unit place 10 place digit same होनी चाहिए. Try. Not a big deal. 4-digit number रेंज यहां पता चल गई. 4 digit की आप बताओ ना रेंज क्या होती है? 1000 से लेके 4 digit. What is the range of 4-digit number? What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. What is the largest 4-digit number? 9999. So your range is 1000 to 9990. Range समझ में आ गई? Now you try. 9 number, 10 number, 13. I think 70-80% student they have not understood. I will help you out. Question is how many 4-digit numbers are there? 4-digit means 1000 to 9990. तो मतलब 1000 से लेके 9999 तक ऐसे कितने नंबर है which are perfect square number and having last 2 digits same. Now answer. Here last 2 digits same. There are 2 possibilities, either 00 or 4. Now first we check 00. And for 00 it has to be multiple of 10. Tell me whether 10 square will help you. No. Why? Because it is a 3-digit number. Tell me whether 20 square help you. No, because it is 400. Whether 30 square will help you. No. 40 square will help you. Yes, because it is 1600. It is a 4-digit number. It is a perfect square number and last 2 digits are same. Similarly, 50 square will help you. Yes. 60 square will help you. Yes. 70 square will help you. Yes. Tell me 80 square which is 6400 will help you. Yes. 90 square which is 1800 will help you? Yes. Tell me 100 square which is 10,000 will help you? No, क्योंकि 5 डिजिट हो. So here multiple of 10 में how many number will help you? 1600, 2500, 3600, 4900, 6400, 8100. So there are 6 number in this category will help you. बाकी 4 क्यों नहीं help कर पा रहे? Either they have 3 digit or 5 digit number. We are looking for specifically 4 digit number. Now next category, if it is 4 4. 12 square is 144. Is it useful for you? No. Then 38 square is 1444. Yes. 62 square 3844. Yes. 88 square 7744. Yes. And if it is beyond 100 square, that will have 5 digit or 6 digit. 100 square के बाद 5 digit start हो जाती है. So here 3 number in this category will help you, 6 number in this category. Total there are 9 number which will help you in this. So what is your answer? 9 number. There are 9 4-digit numbers are there such that which are perfect square number and as well as having unit place and 10 place digits. So no number ऐसे. You have to check. ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल रटना है. You have to take multiple of 10 and 12, 38, 62, 88. This is 2 observation. There is only 2 possibility, या 0 0 आएगा या 4 4 आएगा. No other number is possible if the last 2 digits are same. One more question. Try one more question. From 1 to 5000, from 1 to 5000, how many perfect square numbers are there which have last 2 digits same? In bracket unit place and 10 place. Check. I have given you idea. Range I have given you 1 to 5000. You have to check how many numbers are there which have either 0 0 or 4 4. Last 2 digits में there are only 2 possibility. Either you get 0 0 or you get 4. कर ले काउंट. Done. What is the answer? See here there is only 2 possibility, 0 0 or 4 4. For 0 0 it has to be multiple of 10. 10 square will help you, 20 square will help you, 30 square, 40 square, 50 square, 60 square, 70 square. Because 70 square is 4900. 80 square will be a bigger number, 6400. So 7 we have in category of 0 0. 4 4 की category में 12 square, 38 square, 62 square will help. Because 12 square is 144, 38 square is 1444, 62 square, if you don't know, you check 70 square. 70 से छोटा है, 70 square is 4900, तो 60 square has to be less than 4900. Whereas 88 square is 7744. So your answer is 10 plus 3, sorry 7 plus 3, 10. You write one more thing. Then I ask you one more question. 7744. It is a special number. इसको याद रखना आपने. Tell me what's special about this number. First two digits same, last two digits same, and a perfect square number. तो लिख लो 7744 is the only 4-digit number. 7744 is the only 4-digit number which is a perfect square number. Which is a perfect square number and having first two digits same and last two digits same. And having first two digits same and last two digits same. Okay, meaning hereby there is no other 4-digit number which have first two digit and last two digits same. And one more thing, it is 88 square. वो भी same digit है, 88 square. And this 7744 has been asked indirectly in CAT other exam. And we will see question in our test. What type of question can be framed on 7744? One more, 38 square. 1444. So you write 1444. 1444 is the only 4-digit number. Is the only 4-digit number which is a perfect square number. And having last 3 digits same. इसके अलावा कोई और 4-digit नंबर ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और लास्ट की तीनों डिजिट सेम. Now one more question. I think 90% of you can try that. Many of you have understood the concept. From 10,001 to 20,000, how many perfect square numbers are there which are having last 2 digits same? In bracket unit place and 10 place. Range I have given 10,001 to 20,000. Take your time. You can try. You have to start from 10,001. 0044. You know 00 कब आता है, 44 कब आता है. No other possibility. आ रहा आंसर. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? आंसर क्या आ रहा है अगर हो गया तो? 6. आपसे पूछना. people tell me. Okay. What are the cases? केस क्या क्या होंगे? 0 0 4 4 या 1 1 भी होगा? 0 0 और 4 4. 0 0 कहाँ होगा? Multiple of 10. Can I take 100 square? Why? Because the range is 10,001. What is 110 square? 1 to 1. Because it is very easy. See here, I have seen student, they say I know 11 square, but I can't find what is 110 square. कह रहा हूँ ये आपका दोगलापन है. And even I tell you, देखना classes में, there are the student, they say sir I know table of 25, but I don't know the table of 2.5. What is the difference? Decimal का ही तो difference है. If you know the table of 25, make sure you know table of 2.5 also. If you know table of 15, you are comfortable with table of 1.5. Only the thing we have that attitude. So if you know 11 square, which is 1 to 1, this is 0 0 2 0 बन जाएंगी. 1 to 1 00. Like similarly, what is 12 square? 144. So what is 120 square? 14420. एक 0 2 0 बन जाती है. 13 square, you know, so 130 square you can find. So what is 110 square? 1 to 1 double. You find 11 square, then you add 20. What about 120 square? 4420. 12 square is 144, you add 20. What about 130 square? 16900. What about 140 square? 19600. What about 150 square? What is 15 square? 225. Will it help? No. So here, this number will help you. This number will help you. This number, this number. So there are 4 number: 110 square, 120 square, 130 square, 140 square will help. 4 number आपको यहाँ help कर पाएंगे. Because other number are either smaller than 10,001 or bigger than 20,000. Now here, you have to go beyond 100 square. So your number will be 112 square. I don't know what is the value of 112 square. 138 square. 162 square. But here 150 itself is 22,000. 162 has to be bigger. If you don't know, still you can check the comparison range. अगर 150 square ही 20,000 से बड़ा है तो 162 square has to be bigger. I don't need exact value. 140 square is 19,600, so 138 square will be smaller than 19,600. तो ये दो नंबर और आएंगे. 112 square and 138 square will come in the range. So 4 plus 2. Our answer here is 6. So you can write answer 12,100, 14,400, 16,900, 19,600, 112 square, 138. 162 will be bigger number, 188 will be much bigger number. Will not have. Any doubt? Is this observation clear? 0 0 4 4, because this is the most important observation about perfect square number. In the changing trend, if examiner will ask question, they will definitely pick this point if they want to ask observation of squares. 4 4 लास्ट थोड़ी ना, ये तो स्टार्टिंग थी ऑब्जर्वेशन. I told you this is your table from 1 square to 100 square, and I ask you to check where last two digits are same. We have checked, यहाँ पे last two digits same आ रही थी in 100. Then 144 में last two digits same 4 4. Last two digits मतलब unit place and 10 place same. फिर 400 में मिला, 30 square 900 में मिला, 38 square में 1444. So when we check this table, then we realize one thing, where last two digits are same, here there are only two possibility, या तो 0 0 आता है या 4 4 आता है. Can you tell me any number in this table where you get 1 1 as a last two digit? We never have 1 1 as a last two digit in a perfect square number. अगर last में 1 1 है वो perfect square number होता ही नहीं है. If any number have last two digit as 1 1, on its face you can reject, it will never be a perfect square number. If any number have 2 2 in the last, it cannot be a perfect square number. If any number have 3 3 in the last, it cannot be a perfect. If any number have 4 4, yes, it may be a perfect. ये होने के chances हैं. depend on the number. If it have 5 5, no possibility. 6 6, no possibility. 7 7, no possibility. 9 9, not possibility. 0 0, yes. So here our observation is in a perfect square number where we are looking for a number which is last two digits same. There are only two cases 0 0 4 4. 0 0 कब आता है? 10 और 10 के मल्टीपल के स्क्वायर में. 4 4 कब आता है? That we have check in the table, we have check on the calculator. इसके लिए याद रख लो 12 स्क्वायर में आएगा, 38 स्क्वायर, 62 स्क्वायर, 88 स्क्वायर. Similarly, from 100 to 200 also 112 square, 138 square, 162 square, 188 square. From 200 to 300 also this 4 4 value. यही चार वैल्यू में 4 4 आता है. There is no other value which give you 4 4. So here 212 square, 238 square, 262 square, 288 square. If I ask you from 300 to 400, what are the four value which give you 4 4 in the last? 312 square. Next value 338 square. Next value 362. Next value 380. You can check 400 to 500 also. I guarantee only these four values 12, 38, 62, 88 give 4 4. No other value. इसको रट लो, याद रख लो. 12, 38, 62, 88. These are the four value which give 4 4 in the last. And what give 0 0 in the last? 10 or multiple of 10 square. That give 0 0. क्योंकि एक 0 square बनते 2 0 बन जाती है. Now we will have test based on our first topic recurring decimal. Okay, and some questions based on today's topic. Test paper दे दो. Tomorrow we will do divisibility because many students they ask, sir, how to divide fast. So let me take a topic called divisibility. Yesterday on Telegram I shared simple question on factors. I will share answer key, that is very easy. I don't think there will be any doubt. Today I can share question on squares, or you can create your own questions. You have to find squares and all, you can make yourself, or I will share. Next thing is tomorrow I will take one topic called divisibility. How we can check whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will check that. We will have short trick for that divisibility. But here for a better conceptual clarity, देखो रट्टा नहीं लगाना, हमें concept भी समझने हैं, and the things which we have to remember that you have to crack. But first you have to have base and conceptual clarity. Here I need one concept called co-prime. I have covered in detail yesterday, so do revise what is co-prime, because if you are comfortable with co-prime you can use co-prime in divisibility. कल ही मैं co-prime का concept use करूंगा. देख, tomorrow I will brief you what is co-prime, but better you remember yourself, you revise that co-prime concept. See how you have to attempt the test. Online students, Telegram पे भी डाल दिया test. Test has been shared on your portal as well as Telegram group. So what you can do, you can open your notebook, you can open the test, you can solve the questions. That's it. We will not check your answers, neither for offline student nor for online student. It is just a practice test. Test for online student is there on Telegram, is there on portal also. If you have not joined Telegram group, so you can share your receipt on our reception number 8826619699. They will share the Telegram group link, or you can see on the screen where around 8 questions are visible. Once first you do these 8, then I will show you the question number 9. except question number 7. If you have done all the remaining question, then it's really good. Okay. So try 7 तो छोड़ना है. I will tell you why. I give the answers. Question number 1, answer is 271 upon 9,900. Question number 2, 133 upon 990. Question number 3, 4005 upon 990. But those who have simplified this, it is coming 89 upon 22. If you got this answer, that is correct. This is also correct, but you have to simplify it. अगर इसको simplify करेंगे, you get this. Question number 4, 14 by 90, or if you simplify 7 upon 45. Question number 5, 23 upon 990. Question number 6 about co-prime number. Many of you are checking the factors. In any of the class, I will tell you how we can check co-prime number fast. Okay, I will teach you. Question number 6 में C is not co-prime, like 100 and 625, and here G 36 and 64. The remaining are co-prime. Except C and G, the remaining are the co-prime pair. C और G को छोड़ दो तो. Question number 7, I give you answer. Question number 7, answer is 7 only. There are 7 such number. But question number 7 is a random question. For last 2 digit, we have observation 004. For middle 2 digit, there is no observation as such. कोई observation नहीं है. So if I'm at place of you, if I will get this type of question, I immediately leave that question. हर question attempt करने के लिए नहीं होता. And my suggestion to many of you, in Valentine Day, हर किसी को रेस रोड नहीं दिया जाता. हाँ, बात बननी होती है, वहीं दिया जाता है. इसी तरह here, like we have some question which you have to reject. This is one of the question number 7. Don't attempt this type of question for middle 2 digit. We have observation about last 2 digit. Starting 2 digit के लिए भी कोई observation नहीं है. we have observation about last two digit, either it is 0044, otherwise we don't have any other observation. Middle two digit question is a random question. You cannot check in the examination hall. Better to reject or leave this question. Question number 8, yes, that we have already done also. Answer is 9. There are 9 4-digit numbers are there which are perfect square and last two digits same. Question number 9, what is your answer? One number, and what is that number? 774. 88 square. That is the only number where like it is a 4-digit number, last two digit and first two digit are same. I tell you question number 7. What are these 7 number? But all these are random number. There is no fixed pattern. There is no repetition. There is no like observation. Question number 7 का आंसर है 35 स्क्वायर. टेबल में चेक कर लेते हैं. So here in this table we will see how many 4-digit numbers are there. What is question number 7? How many different value of n is are possible? N is a perfect square number, n is a 4-digit number and middle 2 digit are same. So you can check 35 square. मैं आपको नंबर बताता जाता हूँ. 35 square it is 1225. Then 38 square 1444. Middle 2 digit same, it is 3 digit same, that is a different case, but middle 2 तो same है. Next is 46 square 2116. After that 65 square 4225. 76 square 5776. 83 square 6889. 85 square 7225. So these are the 7 number. At your home, don't waste your energy to establish any relationship in this. इससे बढ़िया 2 square to 30 square याद कर लेना. पता चला इसमें रिसर्च करने बैठ गए हो घर पे कि ना मैं तो इनमें रिलेशनशिप निकाल के बैठूंगा कि कुछ है. These are random thing. There is no relation. 0044 that is wonderful thing. वो fix है. Multiple of 10, 12, 38, 62, 88. Fix है. So question number 7, answer is 7, but this type of question you have to reject because there is no observation. This is a random question. Middle 2 digit, there is no observation we have. Now here question number 8 we already discussed. Tomorrow we will do divisibility. Okay. My suggestion, better cover your table from 2 to 20. If you have time, you can add table of 22 also. In remember table of 22, 24, 25. Okay. I will take doubt. If any one of you don't have any doubt in the lecture, any doubt in the test, you can leave the class. If you have doubt in the test, doubt in the lecture, you can wait for your doubt. गलत है ना, 6 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है ना, प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए. ये 2 क्यूब 3 क्यूब बनेगा. 216 जो है इसकी प्राइम फॉर्म होती है 2 क्यूब इंटू 3 क्यूब. 6 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए. मतलब 6 को क्यूब बिल्कुल ये ऐसे होगा. ये करेक्ट आंसर है. मैं आंसर दे दूंगा, आप चेक कर लेना. अभी मैं आधे घंटे में उसके आंसर शेयर कर दूंगा. स्कूल मेथड यूज कर लो, बेस्ट है, बेस्ट. ये तो 5 है क्योंकि 5 ही प्राइम नंबर है. हाँ, तो ऐसे ये सही है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल परफेक्ट जा रहे हो. सही है, सब सही है. ये सब सही है, सही जा रहे हो. बाकी सब हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. I will tell you how to solve question E and F. मेरी सारे क्वेश्चन मिनट में आ रहे हैं, जल्दी के चक्कर में कैलकुलेशन नोट डाउन करते जाओ. हर लेक्चर में कितनी कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. धीरे धीरे जब कैलकुलेशन स्पीड बेटर होगी तो कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक भी थोड़ी सी कम होगी. आपको मैंने आज बोल दिया परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर में सिर्फ लास्ट 2 डिजिट पे ऑब्जर्वेशन, उसके अलावा कोई और इस तरह का रैंडम क्वेश्चन आए ना, नहीं करना. ये तो रटना है. ये तो आपको नहीं आ रहा तो आप मतलब अपने 2.5 मार्क्स मिस कर रहे हो. ये तो रटा होना चाहिए सबको कि 7744 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है जो 4 डिजिट नंबर है जिसकी पहली दो डिजिट लास्ट दो डिजिट सेम। ये तो रटा होना चाहिए, ये तो स्पेशल नंबर्स है। हाँ, आई टेल यू here question is 625 729 how to check whether these are co-prime or not. I will cover in one of the class. It is 5 is to power 4, it is 9 is to power 3. Basic value is 5 and 9. 5 and 9 are co-prime, so 5 is to power 4 and 9 cube has to be co-prime. जब 5 और 9 co-prime होते हैं तो 5 की पावर x 9 की पावर y भी आपस में co-prime होते ही होते हैं, नो नीड टू चेक। सिमिलरली जैसे 729 एंड 1331 है, ये 9 क्यूब है और ये 11 क्यूब है। जब 9 और 11 अगर को-प्राइम होंगे तो 9 क्यूब 11 क्यूब भी को-प्राइम होते ही। हाँ, मैं बता भी दूंगा ये कंसेप्ट कल या नेक्स्ट क्लास में कि को-प्राइम नंबर फास्ट कैसे चेक करते हैं इस तरह के नंबर में। 2 से 12, 2 क्यूब टू 12 क्यूब। Sir, ultimate sum of the digit of a perfect square number is always 1479. Sir, how ऐड करके देखो, कोई भी नंबर देख लो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर, उसकी डिजिट ऐड करोगे वो या तो 1 पे एंड हो जाएगी या 4 होगा या 7 होगा या 9 होगा। अभी मैंने आपको करके भी दिखाया था क्लास में। आप किसी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर की डिजिट को ऐड करोगे, जब उनको ऐड करोगे उनका टोटल या तो 1 आता है या 4 आता है या 7 आता है या 9 आता है। प्रशांत, yesterday assignment में there is nothing to discuss. I will share answer की सृष्टि, you can cross check your answers. If there will be doubt tomorrow you can ask me. There is nothing to discuss. Number of factors, sum of factors भी है क्या 0044। इस टेबल में अगर ये सारे नंबर को ऑब्जर्व करोगे, यहाँ पे जब आप चेक करते हो ये जो लास्ट की दो डिजिट सेम में दो ही चीजें मिलती है, या तो 00 मिलती है या 44 मिलता है, या 00 मिल रहा है, 00 मिल रहा है या 44 मिल रहा है, और कुछ नहीं मिलता। 00 जब हमने देखा कहाँ मिल रहा है, 10 स्क्वायर 20 स्क्वायर 30 स्क्वायर मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 पे। 44 जब हमने देखा हमें पता चला या तो ये 12 स्क्वायर होता है या 38 स्क्वायर होता है या 62 होता है या 88। तो हमने इसको देख के अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशन बना ली कि 44 जब आएगा जब वो 12 स्क्वायर होगा या 38 स्क्वायर होगा या 62 स्क्वायर होगा या 88 स्क्वायर, और 00 जब आएगा जब वो 10 20 30 40 56 है। तो वो 00 या 44 ही होगा। तो 00 में आपने देखना 10 का कौन सा मल्टीपल आपकी रेंज में आ रहा है, और ये देखना है कि ये कौन कौन से नंबर आपकी रेंज में आ रहे हैं। एक बार रिवाइज करना, देखना, अब दोबारा से आप देखोगे ना समझ में आएगा। एक बार लेक्चर, it is same as square number. 4 is a square, 4 we call it as a perfect. There is no difference. As in number we have number and perfect number are different, but in square, square and perfect square is totally same. There is no different concept here. 16 is a perfect square number, 25, all these are perfect square number because these are square of any of the value. इनके अलावा जैसे 1 और 4 के बीच में क्या क्या नंबर है, 2 and 3, 2 और 3 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है। 4 और 9 के बीच में जो भी नंबर है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है। 2 तो नंबर है, 2 का स्क्वायर 4 है, 2 परफेक्ट नहीं है, 2 तो नंबर है, 4 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है। इस तरह ये वाली वैल्यू परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, वो तो नंबर है, ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, ये है। 2 और 3 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, ये वाली चीजें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, ये इस साइड राइट साइड वाली ये स्क्वायर है किसी भी। How to find whether a number is a perfect square or not, that we will teach, I will teach later when I tell you square root method, then we will learn it. हाँ, नंबर वो तो नंबर हुआ ना, 25 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square, 49 is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square. Yes. Okay, Srishti, I will share answer key, you can check. If there will be doubt tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow I will teach divisibility, after that you can try. I will teach day after tomorrow again. Only one as a common factor. You're done. Co-prime I will teach tomorrow. Tomorrow I will teach divisibility. I will tell how to check co-prime number fast. Good. I will explain again the observation number 4. Observation number 4 here is, if you check the difference in a perfect square number, here difference is 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 13. What is this? It is a series of odd number. After 30, next odd number is 15. You can check 49 plus 15, 64. Next odd number is 17. If you do 64 plus 17, you get 81. Next odd number is 19. 81 plus 19, you get 100. So you keep on adding odd number, you get next. ओके सुस्मिता, तो आप ना इनके अगर जब डिफरेंस चेक कर रहे हो वो ओड नंबर की एक सीरीज बनाते हैं. ओके ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डू रिवाइज. थोड़ा होगा धीरे धीरे, लाइक यू हैव टीथिंग प्रॉब्लम सम ऑफ यू, स्पेशली कैटेगरी 1 and category 0 student, but don't worry, try to manage, try to revise the things slowly and gradually. You will be comfortable. It is just beginning. If you are slow in calculation, wait, it will take time. It is not in 1-2 days you will be fast in calculation. और कौन सी थी ऑब्जर्वेशन नंबर 4? ये वाली, n plus 1 square is equal to n square plus n plus n plus 1. After this I have explained that only odd number. After this I explain odd number only. I have not explained any other things. Then I explained 0044, which I explained 3-4 times. After this I explain odd number. After that I explain 0044. इसके बाद मैंने odd number difference बताया है, उसके बाद 0044, उससे पहले sum of the digit बताया, उससे पहले unit digit बताई है. 5 चीजें बताई है मैंने. You just type in comment which one. कमेंट में टाइप करो which one. Okay, sum. What is the percent पूछ रहा है? 10 में फर्दर यू हैव टू ऐड परसेंट. 10 को फिर दोबारा ऐड करेंगे 1 plus 0. अल्टीमेट सम बोला है ना मैंने. 10 में 1 plus 0 you get 1. If you get 13 by chance, तो further you have to add 1 plus 3 4. Further you have to add ultimate sum. मतलब जब तक वो सिंगल डिजिट ना बन जाए प्रशांत, you keep on adding. 10 को फिर फर्दर ऐड करना है आपने. Okay, I will explain n plus 1. Our observation is n plus 1 square is nothing. It is n square plus n plus n plus 1. Like if I have to find 81 square and I know 80 square. So 81 square क्या हो गया? n से 1 extra हो गया. It will be 80 square plus this number plus this number. Similarly, 101 square is nothing. 100 square plus this number plus this number, so plus 100 plus 101. 201 square is nothing. 200 square plus 200 plus 2.